So additional work scope that Cena would like, we can either dig that down and cut it or carefully try to remove that stump. So this could all get graded out here. Just gonna put a deck right here, so I don't know that anything's needed, but gravel 360 degrees around the house. 4 feet out, 4 inches thick, 3 inches thick probably. A retaining wall along the back here. We should pull the 100-foot tape, Jesse, and see we could measure this for retaining wall purposes. This would all get gravel down here at the base of the wall. Same spec. Probably about 4 feet out. 4 to 5 feet out, probably. We'll dig down around this root system, cut it with the chainsaw after we clear the dirt out from around it. Cut it with the chainsaw and then lop it off flat on top. Unless if we cut out this big root and we can get this big root out, then maybe we can take this guy out, but I just don't see, this is gonna leave such a giant crater. It's gonna undermine everything. So we cut this off flat. It can be used to build on, it's a tabletop, but we do need to open this up for the purposes of drainage going out right here from around the house. This gets graded out a little bit and gravel. We'll take this down to 4 inches down, positive drainage away from the house. We'll have to cut that back and open up a corridor for drainage right there. And then positive drainage and then gravel all through here. We could do weed fabric and then gravel. That'd probably be the right move. This is a little steep. This could use some fill. So we may bring a little bit of extra fill in here just so that this gravel doesn't fall away too quickly. And then that is a cut bank. We could do a little retaining wall right through here or import some topsoil and fill and kind of make that a stable slope and then put some revegetation mitigation on there. Same with this. This could use a little bit of topsoil, just a little bit, just to flush out the bottom of it a little bit, and then grass seed and straw on here. And then she wants recycled asphalt over the whole entire driveway. There's these rugs that are down. I don't know what they were thinking there, but these rugs are down here, and it should probably be hauled to the dump. They're just trash. There's this little cut bankment right here. We should just smooth that out, blend it into the grade. There's another stump to remove. We have some more slash and trees to process here, some stumps. These are trees that we had to take out for the purposes of the septic system. So didn't take us any time to knock these out, but it will take time to haul them away and clean them up. So the recycled asphalt right here in front, I'm not sure what to do. I think she's gonna put a big 15-foot deck coming off the building there, so nothing really needs to be done underneath. She could put gravel. That would be nice. Keep the weeds down. Weed fabric and gravel underneath in the front there for 63 feet along the back and 3 feet high, roughly 3.5 feet high. Did that give us some overhang on either side of the building?
A little bit, yeah.
Just a little?
Yeah, a little bit, but I went to the tree, so let's go 65 to guesstimate.
Okay. So then recycled asphalt all up on these parking areas up to right underneath the truck there. And I'm guessing that could be like 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 to 4 loads of recycled asphalt pretty easily. That could all be done later on. After all the rest of the hardscape's done, that would be the finishing touch.
Labor.
All right, so we're ready for final inspection. Got this tank bedded in squeegee. There's the effluent line. Got the outlet T. I recommend an effluent filter there, but the permit didn't call for it. Let's see if Cena wants to do that. The inlet T. Got our screws ready to screw that down. Take the squeegee just a little bit. Get that bedded. You got the pipe running all the way up. There's a T, there's a kitchen sink that comes out right there, 2-inch line. We step it up to 4-inch with a rubber boot. There's the squeegee, clean out. Same here, we got a 3-inch sewer line coming out. So we step it up, clean out. Left the tank hole open so you can verify no groundwater. And then Jesse got that. That's the effluent line we tied back into.